a ice cold look inspired by Colourpop collab with Disney. It's the Frozen 2 collection. I've used everything in here before. I'll leave listed down below the videos that I use these on. It opens up like this, and as you can see, this is the eyeshadow palette, the lip gloss, lipstick, and this is kind of like a face glitter. So honestly, I mean, I really liked the entire collection. I would definitely purchase it again. But yeah, if you want to see how I got the look, then definitely keep watching. Okay, starting out with a fresh face, I'm going in with my Jade Roller. I really have been liking this recently. I don't know if it's actually working, but it feels nice. I went in with a primer, and then I went in with my favorite foundation. It is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in Fresco. It just has the nicest finish. I don't wear it every day because it can clog your pores, I feel like, but you know, when I really want to have a fresh looking face, I wear it. Now moving on to my favorite concealer. It is by Urban Decay. It's the Naked Concealer. And I'm in shade Neutral. It's definitely by far my favorite. I'm going in with the blush stick from Colourpop. I do really actually like this. I'm getting the hang of it. It's in the shade Cool It. And I really like how it blends, but I am adding an additional layer of blush actually. It's, of course, because it's a Disney themed, I wanted to go in with the Colourpop Floating Lights blush. Now going in with the Bare Minerals bronzer. It's just my go-to everyday bronzer. I don't really switch that up a lot. I'm contouring my nose a little bit. I've been doing this a little bit more recently. Okay, and then I'm going in with my NYX finishing powder. I always curl my eyelashes before I put on mascara. It's really the only way to get them to stay up. I use my waterproof mascara. It's my favorite mascara. I just find that it makes my eyelashes stay up all day, even with lashes on, false lashes. And using my favorite eyebrow pencil. I'm in the shade 2.5. I might be using 2 right there, but this is the Colourpop Brow Boss Gel. It's in the shade Light Brown, and I've been actually liking this a lot recently. I noticed that it does make my brows look a little bit fuller, so I'm definitely gonna continue to wear it. Okay, using my go-to lip scrub by Tarte, and popping on some highlighter. This is again a Lite Stix by Colourpop. It's in the shade Earth with a U, and this is such a pretty highlight. It's kind of like a rose goldy silver highlight. It's just really kind of light and nice. And I'm using a brown liner today, wanting to look a little bit more natural on the lower lash line, and going in with the Frozen collection. It's so pretty. I had trouble opening this at first, but it's just so beautiful, the packaging and everything. I just love it. Okay, going in, you can see there is the eyeshadow palette, 2 lip products, and a glitter product. I'm taking the eyeshadow palette out first. It does come with a mirror. I'm so excited about that. I'm going in with the shade Fire, and I'm just gonna put that over my crease. And you notice I have some blue on already. I actually lost the footage. I'm sorry about that. But I'm going in back with that blue color. It's in the shade Winter in the palette, and I'm just putting that on the outside part of my lid. And I'm popping that down, blending it into my lower lash line as well. I'm not really super smoking it out on the bottom. I don't want to have like too much going on, but just enough to make it look more blue on the bottom as well to match. Okay, I'm going in with the silver color next. It's called Ice Crystals, and I'm popping that on the top of my lid. I'm putting that kind of in the center spot on my lid. It's really, really beautiful, and as you can see, the colors are very pigmented. I really didn't use a lot. I'm blending Fire and Northern Lights together. Okay, I'm going in with that highlight shade. It's called Cuddle Close. And then I'm blending the Cuddle Close and Fire color together and putting that on the top part of my lid. Okay, taking that awesome sparkly color in Flurry, and I'm popping that on the top of my lid. As you can see, it's so beautiful, the sparkles. It's very I don't know if you would use the word pigmented for sparkle as well, but it's very condensed sparkles, I guess. There's a lot of them and there's different sizes as well. So I just popped on some lashes as well, and I put some of that highlight color on my brow bone to make the look come together more. And I'm using the Infallible nude eyeliner on my waterline as well. Okay, I'm popping on the waterproof mascara on my lower lash line as well. I'm using my NYX lip liner in nude, and I'm just lining my lip. Okay, popping the lipstick. It is called Little Snow, and it's a lipstick cream. And it's a really beautiful color and consistency. It's really comfortable. I've noticed this lipstick to wear. I didn't have a problem with it at all. It wasn't too drying. I really did like it compared to a lot of other lipsticks I do have. I actually put on some KKW, I believe it's Nude 1, and lip liner over just in the center of my lips to make them look more full. I took this awesome Colourpop white liquid liner and wanted to draw a couple snowflakes on my face. So I just took that on the side of my eye and I did a little snowflake on the top where closer to the brow bone. Okay, next I am taking what I call a glitter pod. The name of it is the Dark Sea, and it's really beautiful, different size chunks of glitter, and you can use this on your face or your body. It doesn't say that it's suited for the eyes. I don't really understand the difference between this glitter and the glitter that's in the eyeshadow palette. I mean, this one's a little bit stickier, but I mean, if you get either one in your eye, it would definitely be painful. So. But it is really pretty. It does finish off the look. I put that all over the snowflakes, and then I took that lip gloss. It's not my favorite, but it definitely added some cute sparkle to the look. Okay, this look definitely took some work, not gonna lie. I was very careful throughout the whole time, so in the video I'm sure I'll be like speeding up a lot of what I'm doing because it took a while. This look took a couple hours, not gonna lie. But I wanted to try it because I've seen different looks similar to this like all over social media, so I wanted to try it with the set that I got from Colourpop. So if you have any other suggestions on looks that I should try, definitely let me know down below. But thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!